Step aboard as we embark on a captivating journey into the realm of opulence and grandeur, where the boundaries of luxury are redefined by the most extravagant and exclusive yachts on the planet. These floating palaces have captured the imagination of the world, serving as symbols of ultimate affluence and sophistication. Each vessel boasts awe-inspiring features, from helipads and swimming pools to lavish interiors adorned with the finest materials. But beyond their breathtaking appearances, the true allure lies in the remarkable personalities that own these nautical marvels. You're watching Chasing Sunset's Top 5, number 5.